Hi everybody, and welcome to today's Elevate Tours by Diesel Ducey hotel tour. We are at the Sheraton Hotel in Virginia Beach, and due to loud copyright music, we're going to do a voiceover from here on. All right, here we are in the motor lobby, about to go in the main lobby where they have music just blasting. As you enter the lobby, you see the front desk over to the right. There's a restaurant there in the back. And now we're going to get on the elevator and we are going to go check out our room. Otis, modded by Otis. All right, here we go up the elevator. We are in room 505. This is what the hallway looks like. And here's our room. RFID key, as you know, interior corridor. First thing you see when you walk in the room is this bathroom with a really nice sink. This hotel has recently been remodeled. This little thing appears to be broken, but it probably snaps right back on. Toilet is very clean, and the only problem I've really found with the room is this light switch does not work. Other than that, everything's good. Like most modern hotels, you have a stand-up shower, and this appears to be... Whoa, that is a nice shower head. Very powerful. You have the soaps there. Again, like I said, only one light appears to work. And over here across from the bathroom, you have a nice closet that actually closes up. This property is obviously from the 60s based on the elevator. They've been modernized. Microwave, coffee maker, fridge, no freezer. Got plenty of mirrors. Now we'll take a look at the room itself. Very nice room. Yes, we've laid on the beds a little bit. You have a really big LG flat screen TV. Plenty of drawer space. Over here you have the telephone. There's my charging stuff. Nightstand with a drawer that closes. I believe this is a 2-queen bedroom. Over here you have another desk with a drawer. Got plenty of chairs in here, but one thing that's really cool, I'm going to show you while we still have some daylight. You have a very nice balcony out here with, that's right, an ocean view. Listen to those waves coming in. It's October, so it's off peak, so it's not very busy, but here's what the hotel looks like from the outside. Again, private balconies. Unlike the ones we stayed at in Ocean City and Chincoteague, you actually have a private balcony here. There's a thermostat over there, but it doesn't really appear to do anything. The controls are right here for the PTAC unit. Now we're going to try the beds for comfort since Zach is at a convention right now. Bed feels good. It's a little firm, but the big question is, how clean are these beds? Let's take a peek. Under the sheets looks good. Only see one hair. And it's a zipper cover, so I'm not going to pull it off, but that bed passes. It's acceptably clean. All right. This sheet's on tight. No mystery stains, totally clean. So this is definitely a nice hotel. The renovations are very nice. I've seen some Sheratons that are nowhere near this nice, so I'll have to say I'm very impressed with this hotel at the Virginia Beach Sheraton. I don't know what the cost of the room is because Zach's employer paid for this room, so it was a business rate, but still. Definitely a nice oceanfront property. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's Elevate Tours by Diesel Ducey hotel room tour, and that will be it. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of Elevate Tours. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.